class 2, welcome back to maths class. I hope all of you are keeping well. Okay, so today I am here again with chapter number 4, and in the previous class, as you know, that we have discussed about the vocabulary of subtraction. At the same time, I have also discussed about the various parts or elements of subtraction. Now today I am here with a new topic, that is subtraction by backward counting. As you know, what is backward counting? Backward counting means, suppose when you start a counting from 10, then what will be the backward counting of 10? We will start from 10 and then we will move 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is what is backward counting. Now with the help of backward counting, we are going to do subtraction. As you can see here, there is one example given on the board. 15 minus 9. Now 15 minus 9 is what? Let us start from here. We will start from 15, okay, and then we will move backward. Now from 15, then it is 14. We are doing backward counting. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. See how many times we have moved for backward? One time. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And where have we reached? We have reached to number 6. And so we can write 15 minus 9 is 6. So the answer is coming 6. Another example, 32 minus 2. Now this also we will do with the help of backward counting. We will start from 32 over here, 32, then 31, 30. We are not moving ahead, we are going backward, we are coming back, okay. So we have to always read the previous numbers, keep on reading the previous number, 32, 31, 30. So the answer is what? 30. In the similar way, you have on page number 59, you will get some exercises based on subtract by backward counting. So you have to do in this way. Please do it in this way so that you will understand the backward counting, okay. And do not write direct answer, as I have already said that don't write direct answer, correct. Now again there is another topic, that subtraction on the number line system. As you have learned, now this is also one method of subtraction on the number line system. In addition also we have learned addition on number line system. Here also we will be learning subtraction on the number line. How shall we do that? Let us take one example. Say for example 12 minus 8. Okay, 12 minus 8. What will be? Now this I am going to explain with the help of a number line system. Let us start again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now in subtraction, what do? We start from 12. First from 0 we are going to go to 12. Okay. First we will start from 12 in the backward counting. So now from 12, this is number 12. From here I will start moving backward. How many times I will move backward? 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have reached 4 in this way. And so the answer will be 4. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Understood? This is how we have to do subtraction on the number line. Now one more example I will do it on the board, which will help you to understand. Say for example 13 minus 7. How much? Again you will draw one line. On the line there will be 13 markings. We'll start from 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it is becoming soon. Okay, 10. So let me do it like this. Make it 10 minus 7. Okay, so I am subtracting 7 from 10. So what do? I have to, from 0, first I will go to 10. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from 10, I have to do backward counting. How many times I have to do backward counting, or how many times I will jump back? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer is coming 3. In this way, we have to go backward. Okay. And this is the way how we do subtraction on the number line. So in your book also, page number 60 and 61, some questions are there based on number line system. So you can do it. Over here, they have not drawn this arc. Rather, they have just made one line, straight line. So instead of this arc, you can just go to straight one, like as it is given in your book. From here, you can just draw one straight line to the position from where you have to start. Okay, like this. And just this arc I am removing, and instead of this, I will start from 0 to straight away I will go to 10. And from 10, then I will start moving backward. Okay, this is also one of the way, and the previous one which I showed you, that is also correct. It's not wrong. So you are going to do page number 59, 60, 61 in your book, because the space is already given. Page number 59, please do not do it in the book, because you have to show the process. In the previous class, previous chapter number 3, in addition we have done forward counting, okay, but many of you have directly written the answer, whereas I told you, you will write in this, you will follow the steps, and I am giving the same remarks. Those who have written direct answer, I am giving the remarks also while checking the copies. So please, even for the subtraction also, when you are doing backward counting, subtraction by backward counting, you show the steps like as I have done in the previous here on the board in the examples. So please try to do that way. Alright, so that's all. I think this much is enough. You will be doing page number 59 in your maths copy, and page number 60 and 61 you can do it in your book. So that's all in this class, and in the next class I will be again coming back with few more new topics. Till then, keep practicing, and if you have any doubt, anything you want to ask, just you can contact me through Telegram, and also you can write in the comment box. Okay, and please do follow the video carefully. Understood? And practice this as much as you can do. Not necessary that you have to do it from your textbook only, but you can do it from other books if you have the same type of question. Alright? So, till then, take care and bye-bye.